joining me today. It's Funfold Friday and we're at volume 6. Wow, can you believe that we've been doing this now for 6 weeks? I can hardly believe it. I'm enjoying it. I hope you are also. So for today's video, it's going to be another easy card. I've been doing them a little more easy and then we'll get into the elaborate ones. But this is the card that we'll be making. And it looks like a basic card, but it does have a little bit of a different fun fold to it. So when I turn the camera down, you'll see what I mean. So let's get started. So as you see, the reason this is a fun fold is because it's got like this little flap here that's different dimensions from the back flap, but it hides the message piece over here, the basic white. So let me show you how this is done, all the parts and pieces. Very easy, very basic. I've got a piece of, this is retired color. It's Misty Moonlight. So I'm going to cut this down 4 1/4 by 8 inches. So we'll go on this side here, 4 1/4. And then we'll cut it down to 8 inches. So I just need to cut half a piece, so half an inch off. There. And then we want to score this at 2 1/2. And once we're done, I will put all the measurements on the card base. So you can take a screenshot if you like. Don't want to use the cutting blade. I almost did that. All right, so we're going to score that at 2 1/2. And that's it. So there's your fun fold right there. And it does fit into an A2 size envelope. So we have that piece here. Now the next piece I need to cut is also from the Misty Moonlight, and that's 3 3/4 by 4 3/4. So 3 3/4 here by 4 3/4, and down here, that aside, this aside. And then we have our designer series paper. I have my basic white, which is 3 5/8 by 4 3/4. That's going to go on the inside. Now you'll notice that I already cut out the inside of the designer series paper. This will go on the inside like so. You won't see that, but that's a paper saving tip. So since you won't see that part, we're going to lay this right over it. You can certainly cut out the inside if you like, which measures 2 1/4 by 4 inches. And as I said, I've already done that. So I think we've got all our parts and pieces here. We can start assembling. So first I'm going to put this on the outside. I'm going to burnish this a little. Get some glue. Center that. Next, I'm going to adhere this piece on the inside. And the reason I'm doing the inside first is because I want to have an idea of where that outside piece goes. Although I guess it doesn't matter because you do want to make sure that they both line up correctly. I'll put that here, and this has a little border around. Gotta love that liquid glue when it just slides around for you. All right, now, so this is going to go on the inside. Now I'm not going to adhere that yet, although I think I have an idea where
that it probably will go around that area. This piece will go on the front. Now, I like to keep it, line it up with the edge of the card base, just so I think it stands up better that way. If you like, though, you can move it up a quarter of an inch, I mean, not a quarter, an eighth of an inch, so it lines up with the designer series paper. But, you know, choice is yours. You can either come down or come up. I think I'm going to leave it down. All right, so the other important thing, you want to make sure you only add adhesive to the top, otherwise you're going to glue your card together, and we don't want to do that. So what I like to do is just add adhesive to this part here. So I might have gone a little heavy on the glue. Line that up with the bottom. Make sure it's equal spacing on the side. Okay, we're good. And then we'll put this on the inside. And we can call this card done. And then I'm going to close this just to make sure that you can't see any of the white. And you can't, so we'll put it down. I'm just going to add that little piece there. No, it's all right. All right, so that's it. Very basic, very easy. So here are the measurements. I've already written them down on a Post-it note for you. Let's zoom in, come down. All right, so take a picture of that. And I don't have a name for this fun fold. It's just a fun fold. But let me know what you think. I hope you've been keeping a book or, you know, a box or something where you've been keeping all your fun folds. And so what I'll do for not the next video, my Tuesday video, but a future video, I will do this fun fold and we'll decorate it all nice and pretty. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Give me that thumbs up. I enjoy reading your comments and I love seeing those likes. So please like my videos. And if you've been getting value from them, hit that thumbs up. And make sure you share it with your friends and invite them to also craft along with you. All right, guys, till next time, happy stamping. Bye-bye.